I have learned that I'm capable of really hard things. I've learned that I can be out of my comfort zone a lot. It's really hard to do things that you've never done before. Switching career has just taught me that I was capable of so much more than I thought I was. I graduated from business school with a degree in finance and accounting. And right after school, I joined an aerospace company as a staff accountant. And then I evolved from that. I was leading a team of 5 or 6 people, and I just found it harder and harder to motivate myself and motivate my team because I realized that finance wasn't necessarily something that I was really aligned with. I left the Bay Area and left my job in the aerospace company at the end of 2019 to move to Canada. So I just started making connections that were related to the circular economy and specifically to sustainable food systems. So I met a bunch of people that were working in that industry. I just knew it was something that really spoke to me and was really important, both for social and environmental impact. I was lucky to meet with Jessica, who's the CEO of FoodMesh. I joined her team as head of finance. I kind of switched my industry towards something that I really cared about, but I was still in finance. So it checked one of the boxes, but not all of the boxes. When I was working at FoodMesh, I got involved into this data project for a national retailer to collect 6 years worth of food waste data and show the progress that they had made in reducing their food waste. And that's when it really clicked for me. I could do something really cool and really important with this data to bring awareness around the topic of food waste. After this data project, I knew that I wanted to get more involved into data and gaining some skills. So I signed up first for a certificate with BrainStation. It showed me what was possible, or like the various professions that were around data science. That gave me the opportunity to see what I was really excited about.
As long as it's 17 days.
Sometimes you just know, you want to do this, and that's fine, and you go for it 200%. But in my case, it was a time commitment, it was a financial commitment. Quitting your job, it's not easy. So I wanted to make sure. The bootcamp was just the beginning of my learning journey, and I know that I still need to acquire a lot of skills. And so I wanted to be able to learn from other people that have been doing this for years. That really got me thinking into what kind of job do I want to have after. 2 main criteria for me was finding data team that I could learn from and keep working for something ideally impact-driven, related to community or social, environmental impact. I am a performance and data analyst for the city of Vancouver, and I just started last week. I'm focused right now on workplace safety and to make sure that people can get home safely at the end of the day. So it's really looking at metrics around workplace incidents and the processes around that to see how we can improve things. But the team works on all sorts of metrics that can be related to homelessness, housing, sustainability. What I really like about it is that it feels like there's a real life impact into this work. Well, because I do live in Vancouver, so I see it every day. And just working with people that are dedicated to serve the city is really inspiring. This whole process also showed me is that for my first day of work last week, I was not nervous. I was just really excited. And I've never had that before. I've always been, everyone is nervous their first day of work. And I just wanted to be there. I just wanted to start. And that was such a good sign.